Welcome to the channel, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, there must be justice for Donna Donaldson and her family, and if you agree, drop a like on the video, and of course, drop a comment in the comment section. Now, every individual or business place who was allegedly a part of the cover-up, whether it is the truck driver or the car wash and the individuals who wash the couch, are all cooperating with law enforcement. It has been confirmed. They have told law enforcement everything that they know. Justice will be served. As a matter of fact, I'm going to walk on that will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Commandment one people. See it here?
So you tell them, say that's what the coach come and all of the blood and everything wash out there. Jesus, little did he know, small country, little did he know that we are all associates, man. I talk, you must go talk now with the body there. But no worry yourself, you know. I'll not call you by the name they when you hear L.A. call you. I don't think we can't remember the name when call you. But no worry yourself. We're going to nail this boy right now. Justice officer.
5. Tell her how much blood come out of the couch now when the boy, when the boss asks, tell her what the boy tell him where the blood come from.
It's a truck in the court, and the van come back in.
Yeah.
And if you pick a court, if you pick a court with the Friday, you pick it up back before, because and the deputy was going to try by about the Friday. And
Yeah.
so we did the Friday, we try, we might pick up off water, and then still never try.
So when him really bring in the truck,
Eh?
when him really bring in the coach then, not the, when the Wednesday,
Something like that. And then if somebody come back for the Friday, and you can pick it up off the Thursday.
you can't talk to me like that, you know. You can't tell me something like that, you have to tell me, because I when them call me after they left and say, Mummy, you hear nothing from Donna, in which my daughter, you take her from my house Monday night. You're not supposed to call me after 11 Wednesday after me hear from her. That means, me not supposed to hear from her. And then me hear say Wednesday, the truck man bring the set he come through in a broad day.
Yeah, that's not normal.
So me I confirm with you now. Say Wednesday come there.
Alright people. So, but, you know, so I like how them people stay. I tell them, say, call me upon the something line people. Please and thanks, call me upon the and remember say, me have my linky up at the police, up at the courthouse. I'm going to call me linky, one with stripe, because you can't call the normal police people, because sometimes the court officer want them ground the normal police. So me just call the stripe people and say, Sergeant, I say, Emperor, where you going? I say, you can't believe what me have. And him say, Emperor, tell me. And I say, you sure you alone there? And him say, no, I'm alone, I'm going to Alco corner. Oh, me say, Papa Jesus, Emperor, I saw the boy wicked. And I say, listen me, go tell the clerk of court, say, postpone, at information to come. That's what I tell the people. And every police body, you have police who want to see the police force go good. That's why I have to defend raise up here for my police them. Raise up here for my warders them, my correctional officer them, because them are the real hero for the country people. Raise up here for my doctors them. Raise up here for my nurses and my teachers them people. And raise up here for the normal people them. That's why people, I say, everybody got Richard Mary in the country, people, but everybody got alright. And a good sign that, but people, big up on yourself, my love, you know. Thanks for the support. You understand? Yeah. So, me have to penetrate on Noel again, people. Only
Talk to my people. Tell me what you think. As I always said, this case is also of major importance because it has highlighted the issues faced by women in relationships, especially when we talk about a love triangle. And the fact that this case has definitely opened the eyes of the public to these type of domestic situations. Something we see happen far too frequent And I feel like shouldn't happen so much in third world countries. One of the main reasons why majority of the population were raised by single mothers. That's one of the things I'm always I say, yo, when I see certain crimes against women, I wonder where the mindset of the people there. Majority of Jamaicans, boy or girl, man or woman, were raised by single women who struggle and fight it and raise them youth and try them very best to give them the best lifestyle possible. Talk to me in the comment section. Drop a like on the video. Now onto the other stories making headlines today.
Okay, under what grounds are you exiting the building?
Sir, exit the building.
Under what grounds are you asking me to exit the building? This is a public place. What are you telling me to exit the building? You must really think I'm an impersonate police officer. Yeah, dude. So you can escort me out. I have no problem, you know. I have no problem. So, ma'am, why should I exit the building now? Why should I exit a public place? Place where I come and pay money for the police card. Can you tell me, this is a good public
We
place?
will not tolerate your behavior in here. We still have
Okay.
the right to refuse entry of persons
Yes, ma'am.
who refuse to comply.
Right, and what am I not complying to?
Yeah, good day, sir. Yeah, man. Constable
Yes,
C.
sir.
Robinson. You cannot
Yes,
exit
sir.
the building, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good day, sir. Constable C. Robinson, please exit the building, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir,
I
Constable C. Robinson,
and I
exit the
would
building,
love
please,
to
sir.
comply. Can you tell me why
Sir.
should I exit the building when I pay for my police
Sir.
card?
You will not be doing the police record today, sir. Just exit the building, please.
All right. So you're
Exit the
constable
building,
who I'm
sir.
again, sorry?
Constable C. Robinson,
All right.
spread it all over the world. Exit the
Okay,
building,
no
please.
problem, no problem.
Step out. Let's step out, you know.
Sir, why you operating
Sir,
so
sir,
close?
sir.
You don't be close marking.
Sir, watch you know.
Yeah, you don't
Don't
have
make
to
you
close
just go out of
marking.
the way right now, I have to go. Just exit the building. Just exit the building, man. You're well.
No, that seemed to be a situation that took place at the Jamaican record officer. I don't know where them go for do that. But it seems as if this individual came to a government building to handle some document matters. And even though this is a one-sided video, because clearly the individual started to record when they were asking for exit the building, we don't hear what him say if he was disrespectful to the law or what was the case. But I think Jamaicans as a whole need to be educated on how to, one, talk to law enforcement. And law enforcement, this need to be a thing where them do at Twickenham Park. And maybe all officers who are already in the force need to go back for additional training like what them do with weapons training. And tell them and teach them how to deal with the public. The civilians who you have been tasked with serving and protecting. We're all human beings. And sometimes certain things that are said by law enforcement, the way they are treating individuals, kind of rub the society the wrong way. And truth be told, they are good, hard-working members of law enforcement. Once they go in there, try to actually make a change. And I'm going to say this again too. Long, stressful days, long shifts, underpaid, underappreciated. When people talk to you in a disrespectful tone or a disrespectful manner, then of course, law enforcement are not. You know it go, being that we are all human beings. All we are saying is that more training might be needed for them know for de-escalate the situation. As I say, all the officer said was leave. I mean, just leave. Even though the individual was simply asking for a reason why. So obviously, based on what he's saying, up until that point, he was still not given a reason why he should exit the premises. Talk to me and tell me what you think. Because we see different scenarios and different encounters with members of the public and members of law enforcement. Recently, we also saw where heavy rains in Lucy had a ratty jeep trapped in high waters. And it was the residents who went for a boat and rescued the JDF soldiers. Then it stuck. The jeep covered in water. As Tom said, basically, on the part of both sides, I'm going to say when nobody go wrong, seeing that the video footage kind of one-sided. You know what I mean? And maybe that's why the other individual went for her phone so that she could have started record too. So, record his behavior. as to justify the reason why they're asking him to leave and stating that he will not be able to deal with any business at the government building today based on, more likely, I'm going to say, a Muslim attitude. But tell me what you think. Do you think law enforcement could have handled the situation better? Or they handle it the way they were trained to handle it? De-escalate the matter and get the individual out of the building. Now, a quick recap. They're stating that individuals who are allegedly, unknowingly, a part of an alleged cover-up have cooperated with law enforcement as it pertains to the Donna Lee Donaldson situation. And they have told law enforcement everything they know. And it's one of the reasons why prosecutors now have a strong case as they do, and the reason why bail has not been attained by the main suspect's legal team. If you're new to the channel, just pass through, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and of course made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them, sister, them, brother, them, for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and join the discussion. Until we reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.